Hey there, how's it going everyone? So I'm going to be doing a bit of a beautification project out in the garden today. Behind the garlic there is a edge of a garden bed, and I've got it lined with some bricks as a bit of a border there, and that works out great. I like using reusable materials in the garden. A lot of these bricks that I use were picked up for free. Someone was getting rid of them, and I really like using those as garden bed borders. They give you a few inches of raised bed area where you can either fill in with some good compost mix or put in some wood chips. It's up to you. But what I'm going to be doing today, since this is a focal point, a main entrance area to the garden, so I'm going to be beautifying it using some boulders. So right now, as you walk towards this area, you can see we got the brick lined here, got garlic planted in front, and I'm going to be replacing that brick with this moss rock here. This has a lot of different applications for landscaping. It's relatively inexpensive, about 10 cents per pound. So a little load like this ends up costing about $12 or so. Start removing these bricks. And that's it. Only took but a couple minutes. I think that looks really good. And you can see why they call it moss rock. Over time it'll start to grow more of that moss, again giving it a nice natural look. So overall, a very easy, low-cost, effective way to change the landscape of your garden, give it that more natural look. Right there behind with the fence, which isn't so natural, I've got some dahlias that I just planted out, just protecting them from the chickens right now. But you can envision the look of everything as the daylily starts to emerge and the dahlias pop up. We've got the lavender, which is in flower right now, a citrus, a mandarin tree behind that. There's some borage at the base of the citrus there. And of course my tree stump bench, which gives me a great front row seat to watching the chickens in the coop. And what do you guys want? Oh, I know what you want. You want to play frisbee, don't you? Well, come here. You got to come give it to me. That's a good girl. Let's go. All right.